Hey guys, welcome back. Have you seen that super popular Candyland themed Christmas tree, but you're not sure where to start to create this look for yourself? Well, get ready to fall in love with this sweet confectionery tree, and let me show you exactly what to do and exactly what to shop for to create this magical look. In this series, I will take you through 16 different designs, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of them. I'm excited to get going, so let's get started. Now this is really hot this season, the Candyland theme, but I think that this really even takes it up another notch. This is so beautiful on these faux pedestals with the large edible ornaments and picks on these trees. I think that these things look like not even trees at all. They look like something that should be on a bakery stand. And so I think that this is a really interesting take on that really popular Candyland tree. And again, you can go with that light pink tree and reuse that in different ways. So, you know, we talked about using a color tree on the purple royal sugar plum, but you could also get a light tree for this one and utilize that in different ways as well. So it's very versatile, and it's going to allow you to get that designer look if the tree is not as full. For the ribbon on this tree, you don't technically need to use any ribbon, but if you decide to, I would go with something like a light pink, maybe something with some stripes, as well as something like a Tiffany blue to really give it that sweet and whimsical touch. But the idea that makes this look so delicious is that it almost looks like the entire tree is covered in something edible. So you can skip the ribbon on this type of tree style if you would like. The picks are going to be something that are more related to food, so maybe lollipops or some nice picks that have these round candy ends on them. When it comes to the ornaments for the tree, anything edible is going to be what you're looking for. So I found a really nice assortment of edible type of ornaments on Amazon. My favorite ones are the donut ornaments. They look so sweet, but there's lots of them here. So there's the cotton candy, which is something that maybe you wouldn't think of originally as a Christmas tree ornament, but in this case it's perfect because it fits in with the theme perfectly. And on one of the trees you can see the cotton candy where they lined it around the bottom. I think that would be a really fun way to incorporate this. Another one of my favorites are the macaroons, as well as these sweet little gingerbread ornaments. So these can actually be tabletop pieces or they can be ornaments, and in this case I would suggest placing them in the tree to really add a little bit more dimension as well as a lighted feature. To fill in this tree, you're going to want to go with something like a light pink or a light blue ornament just to kind of take up that residual space. There's a couple of good options here from Amazon. Now to finish the look out of your tree, you're going to want to place a nice pink skirt under that tree to kind of simulate what we see here with this beautiful little cake stand. Then this cake collar does give you that appearance. Now the other one that I really like is this pink tulle tree skirt, but I would recommend, if your budget allows, to get multiple of these to give a really full appearance underneath of your tree, so almost as if your tree was wearing a little tutu skirt. If you stick around for my DIY video, I'm going to show you a way to also create a cake stand looking piece at home. And that's why I think that this is going to be a really fun DIY, because some of these are actually kind of hard to find in market. And so this is a new design style, so not everything is geared towards that yet, and so it might be difficult to find, but I can definitely link that video for you once it's made, or you can subscribe, guys, and stick around and follow me so that when that video comes out, you're going to be the first to know, and that way you can get on your DIY decorating for this Christmas tree this year. This is one of my favorite styles as well. Just very cute, very whimsical, and I wonder if you agree. Let me know in the comments below. So guys, thanks for stopping by. What did you think? Isn't that a sweet tree? If you love this tree, make sure to subscribe, because I have a DIY tutorial on how to make a lot of these ornaments yourself. But if you're not convinced, I have 14 more tree designs to show you, so don't go away yet. The next tree is an opulent design that will elevate any household with its glimmering gold look. I'm excited to share it with you. I hope that you subscribe so that I'll see you next time. Bye for now.